Today we're gonna do a glitter lip, purple, because I'm on purple this month. This is all you need. Glitter, glitter glue, color, a brush, and lip liner. Woo! So I'm gonna start by lining my lips. This is my Kylie pencil. Okay, next I'm gonna do the lip color. This is the Sugar Pill Spank liquid lip color. So naughty. Gosh, this color is gorgeous. You can see why they call it Spank. It just spanks you. Beautiful. Okay, now next we're gonna do this NYX Professional Makeup Glitter Primer. I'm gonna put this on a brush and just pat this down on my lip, and then I'm gonna pat the glitter over top of that. If you wanted to, you could put a little piece of tape or a little piece of paper towel or something over your chin to protect it from the glitter fallout. Or you can just be really careful and you can go over it afterwards with a little piece of tape. It's totally up to you. I'm walking on the wild side. I'm just gonna go right in. Now you do want to firmly pack that glitter on, but you don't want to smudge it around too much because then you're gonna mix it in with your lip color and it's gonna dull that shine. And you don't want to do that. The whole point of your glitter lip. Wow! There's not even fallout. We went for it and we nailed it. This is so pretty. What do y'all think? Do you like this? Do you like something else? Is there something you would like to see me do a video of? Let me know. Bye.